Hello everyone, thank you for joining my tutorials. Today we'll learn how to download very high resolution Google Earth georeference image. To download this, first we need to download this Ilcial Smart GIS. To download this Ilcial Smart GIS, we'll go to Google and in Google Chrome, I will type here as Ilcial Smart GIS. When I will type in Google Chrome as Ilcial Smart GIS, it will show me option for the download. When I will click on the download, then there is option here for the free download. Ilcial Smart GIS is a freeware map editor software app. For download this, I will click here for the free download. Now it will ask me for the UK, US or SSL. You select any. I will select UK here. Click here to start the download anyway. I will click here. After that, you can able to see it start downloading below. After it's downloading, I will click show to folder. After that, I will right click and extract file. After extract it, I already extracted here, so that's why it's showing me. So I will close it. Now you can able to see this is extracted file. I will click on the setup. I already installed this. So when I will click here, I will click on OK. Here is the option, click this button to install the Smart GIS 2020. When I will click here, it is start installing. I already installed it, so asking me again and again. So Smart GIS 2020 setup was completed successfully. So when I will close this, now you can able to see, you can open it, Smart GIS. When you will type Smart GIS, this will open. After that, what we need to do, we need to open our Google. So open our Google Chrome. I will go to here at desktop. Here is my Google Earth. We need to open our Google Earth. So this is the older Google Earth. You can also download this older Google Earth. You can download in Google Earth Pro also, but if it's not working, then you can download in Google Earth also. This Google Earth and Google Earth Pro both are different. Google Earth Pro is advanced one, so this is older one. If you want, you can download this also. I will give link in the description. From there you can download. So we'll choose the area where we want to download something. So you can select any place where you want to download. So suppose I will select this area and I want to download for this high resolution imagery. This you can zoom also more, no problem, but for my extent this area is sufficient. So to download this, we'll go to Smart GIS and here is the option Google Earth. When I will click on the Google Earth, now here is showing Google Earth is not connected. Login Google option is there. When I will click on the login Google, now you can able to see Google Earth is connected. After that, we need to do some settings in Google Earth. What settings we need to do? This all setting first we need to do, then you click on login, then it will start login. So this setting is very simple. In view, show navigation and never, view, reset and tilt and compass. So when I will go to here, view, then show navigation, click on never, then reset, tilt and compass. After that, more setting is there. Then you need to go to tool, option and 3D. In 3D, lat long we should select decimal degree and our units must be in meter and kilometer, and terrain elevation extraction is 0.01. Then uncheck use high quality terrain and uncheck use 3D imagery, and in atmosphere uncheck use photorealistic atmosphere. So we'll do this setting. We'll go to tools, option. Here in 3D view, we need to select first decimal degree, then units of measurement is a meter and kilometer, Then this elevation acceleration is 0.01. Untick this, use high quality terrain and use 3D imagery. Uncheck this and use photoelastic atmospheric. We also uncheck this. When we'll uncheck this, after that navigation, select on do not automatically tilt while zooming. Select this and uncheck this. Gradually slow the earth when rotating or zooming. Untick this. After all doing this setting, click on apply and OK. So now we need to go Smart GIS, and after all this doing setting, what we need to do, we need to click here as a refresh codes. When I will click here, this lat long will show here. This lat long of the center point of the lat long will show there. I will click here as a refresh codes. Now you can able to see the lat long is showing here. Now I will click here as a import rectified image. When I will click here, then I will create a new folder on my desktop by the name of GE Google Earth. I will keep as it is first image I am downloading, then I will download second, third like this. So first I am selecting as a GE1. I will keep by default. I will click on save. When I will click on this save, within some time the image will load here. Now you can able to see our image is showing here, but it's in black and white. Okay, if you'll see this image showing in black and white and our image is color one. So what we need to do, we need to save this image. To save this image, I will click on file, save, save image. When I will click on this save image, that time I will go to desktop. Our folder is GE. Now I will click here and I will replace this. So I will click here now GE1, click on this save. This image already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I want to replace it. I'll click on OK and I will replace it. Then I will go to our Smart GIS, and after that I will right click here and reload layers option is there. Reload layers. When I will click on reload layers, now we can able to see this image is now colorful. Again, if you want to download image for the above, right, left, bottom, then you can click on the up. If you want above, then you can click on up. If you want this portion, you can click on right. So suppose I want up, then I will click on up. After that, again I will click on import rectified image. After click on import rectified image, I will save this GE2 by the name of GE2. Click on save. After that, this image will load here. Now you can able to see second image is loaded. After that, I want to replace this. For this is black and white, we want color one, so I will go here and now I will again file, then save and save image. Now I will replace this. I will select G2, save. Yes, I want to replace it. After that, I will go to Smart GIS and I will right click and reload layers. So now you can able to see this image is also loaded here and it's matching. Road is matching. You can able to see all the buildings are matching. So this high resolution image is now matching here. Again, if you want to download for the right, you can click here right. Now latitude longitude will change. Again, import rectified image. After import rectified image, we need to select G3. I will click on save. Again, I will go to Google and after that again save save image as. I have replaced the G3 and OK. After that again I will come to Smart.js, right click, reload layers. Now third image is also, you can able to see the road is matching exactly. All this, like this you can download all the images and now you can mosaic it into QGIS environment. So now if you want to download this below image also, you can download and you can mosaic it into QGIS or ArcGIS. Suppose if you want this image, then I will click on down again, then import rectified image. You can download hundreds of images like this. So I will select G4, I will click on save, I will go to Google, file, save image as. I will replace this. Yes, I want to replace. Again I will go to Smart.js and right click, reload layers. Now you can able to see all 4 images we have downloaded. Like this we can download hundreds of tiles. Now what we'll do, we'll mosaic it into QGIS environment. I will close this. I will open my QGIS. This image is having some background, some drawback that also I will show you. But overall, the resolution of the image you can increase. If you want very high resolution, you can take very high resolution image also. Then layer, add raster layer. We'll go to our desktop G folder. I will select all these 4 images and I will open, add and close. Now the drawback of this, you can able to see is Google image. This will show here in all the images. So, and resolution you can appreciate. This is the very good resolution, and you can also repeatedly, if you'll zoom more, then you need to download more tiles here. So this kind of you can mosaic this image. We know how to mosaic. We'll go to raster, miscellaneous, build virtual raster. Here we'll select all the 4 layers, select all, then click on OK. Then place, I will uncheck this, place each input file into separate bands. And if you want to save this image, you can save, select a particular folder and you can say as a mosaic, save and run. So now algorithm is completed. I will close this, I will uncheck this, and this is our mosaic image, and now we can able to see our image is now mosaic. So it's very high resolution imagery from Google. You can download from Ilshel Smart.js and you can use for your purpose. So it's very simple to download. So all the credit goes to this Ilshel Smart.js software. So thank you so much for watching this video.